Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account tied to your searches. This ensures changes persist. Once signed in, go to Google. Com on desktop or open the Google app on mobile. Make sure to locate the Settings menu. On desktop, it's at the bottom right as Settings, then Search Settings, and on mobile, tap your profile icon, then Search Settings. You're now ready to change Safe Search filters. Proceed to disable the filter itself. Once in Search Settings, locate the Safe Search Filters section. It's labeled Filter Explicit Results or Safe Search. You toggle the option off on desktop, uncheck the box. On mobile, switch the slider. After you change it, click or tap Save so Google applies the new setting to your account. If you manage multiple devices, make sure to repeat the action where needed. Remember why? Disabling Safe Search allows uncensored results, so use responsibly and understand content may be explicit. You finish by verifying the change. Perform a test search that previously was filtered to confirm results now appear. If you still see Safe Search active, clear the browser cache and cookies or sign out and sign back in. This refreshes account settings. Also check for supervised family accounts, school/work network filters, or router-level parental controls that force Safe Search. If on mobile, update the Google app and review device parental control settings. That key troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn filtering.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.